Welcome to AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycles of New England. My name is Dimitri, and we're checking out 2020 Ural Gear Up Terracotta Satin. Beautiful finish and amazing bike. This color on the sun, at dusk, in the showroom, on the daylight, it looks outstanding. It looks phenomenal, and it has a nice feel. This motorcycle, we would like to bring up to your attention, specifically the stock number of this motorcycle, and check it if we still have it online, because the savings are amazing. It's a leftover 2020. We assembled it not too long ago, and it is a stock number 230593. And wait until you see the savings. You will be very pleased if you're shopping for a Ural. And if you're not shopping for a Ural, if you have one, you should definitely give us a call, because you can trade your Ural, and there's currently a trade-in credit that you can get through Ural USA. Also, Ural offers, at least at the time of this video, we need to check if this promotion is available, but you should check it out. Ural offers free third-year factory warranty. So instead of 2 years unlimited mileage, you would get 3 years unlimited mileage on this motorcycle and other motorcycles that qualify for this promotion. So let's talk about this bike. Savings are great, but the most important thing is the motorcycle. But if you can get the motorcycle at savings, why not? And at the time of this video, this bike is available. So it's got custom black powder coated drivetrain, which is engine, transmission, final drive, all black powder coated from the factory, which means each part of each component was powder coated before the component was assembled. There are a few other goodies on this bike that we ordered for customization. It has factory applied undercoating to all three fenders and underbody of the sidecar, and which is done prior to the body panels refinished. It looks beautiful, it's great to the touch, and it works awesome. It protects your bike from chipping the paint and exposing metal to the rust. In addition, the interior of the sidecar of this motorcycle has been refinished with a liner, as well as the trunk area. So when it does have a nice floor mat, but when you get, if there's any sand or any abrasive material gets in, or you simply put something in the sidecar, this liner will protect again from chipping the paint, opening the metal to the rust. So that was done to this bike. In addition, we offer this bike with optional rear seating, which means you can have the passenger, and that passenger can sit in the back. There's about 6-inch height difference, so your rear passenger will look over your shoulder and will have a much better view of the road than a passenger on a bench seat on the Ural or other motorcycles. So as a rider, you would sit right here and your passenger could sit back there. This is only $299 upgrade compared to the stock Enduro style seat. So you should consider that. What else does this bike have? It's a 2020, so it has all the latest and the newest upgrades. The 2019 and 20, they received major, stunning, unbelievable job factory did with engine upgrade. It not only the way it looks, it's the fuel injection, the interior components design, the piston, the cylinder, valves, oiling system, and of course the Generation 2 fuel injection system. So definitely check out this bike. You can visit us at alphacars.com, ALPHACARS.com for inventory. Don't forget, we have an e-store with over 600 of exciting accessories for Ural motorcycles. Simply go to uralne.com or simply give us a call. We pick up the phone, we talk to you. We love talking to Ural owners. You can give us a call at 978-263-9000, and let's look at some close-ups of this motorcycle. Let's get started. As I mentioned, Beautiful detail throughout. Look at this finish, and it produces a different reflection. Let's look at that. It produces a different reflection on the different lights and on the different angles. For those of you that look at Ural for the first time, it's an amazing machine. Check out Brembo brakes. Check out stainless steel exhaust. And yes, check out the two-wheel drive system. How many bikes have sidecars? Very few. How many of those are purpose-built and purpose-engineered to carry a sidecar? Big difference. Because the one that has, if you add a sidecar to a motorcycle, it actually disturbs the dynamics of the bike that is designed to not carry the sidecar. Not to mention, this bike with sidecar has been produced for almost 80 years, since 1939. They had so much time to improve it, but the good news is they started with already a sidecar motorcycle. And nowadays, not only it's a great best handling motorcycle with a sidecar, but it's also the one that has parking brake, a mechanical reverse gear, and a two-wheel drive system. We're going to look at that in just a moment closer. Here's the drive shaft that goes from the gearbox. It gets into the final drive. Here's the on-demand engagement linkage that runs off of the lever. There is the lever. And then this final drive distributes the power to the drive shaft that leads to the sidecar wheel. The fit and finish on these motorcycles is simply unbelievable. For any of you that had different bikes, European quality bikes, you will instantly recognize quality of this motorcycle and the components that make it a whole bike. Of course, a lot of the components are made at the factory, and a lot of the components manufacturer selects from different manufacturers. Adjustable shocks, and yes, the motorcycle has 5 shocks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 1 on the sidecar. Leading fork front suspension, and all the pivoting joints, they don't have bushings, they actually have double row bearings. So they do not wear, well, they wear, but not as fast as a bushing. We have customers that ride motorcycles for 15 years and we've never replaced these bearings. Here's the underbody of the bike. You can see it right here. We're going to have a closer look this way. You can see the beautiful exhaust, stainless steel exhaust. And it's a very easy to maintain bike. You can see the drain plug for the oil, and then further down, transmission and the drain plug from the transmission, and then similar, there's a drain plug for the final drive. So it's very, very easy to service machine. Here's the sidecar, front bumper, finished off with dual LED driving lights. Let's glance at gorgeous finish one more time as it leads us to the ignition key. We're going to turn that on. Digital instruments. And we're going to get the bike started. For that, we need to make sure that the bike is in neutral, which it is now. and we can start the bike. Starts right up. Dual stainless steel exhaust. And we're going to get in the sidecar as well. The sidecar has plenty of room. Check this out. I can't even reach the the full depth. Well, even if you are a sidecar passenger, you can still contribute to the riding experience. You can definitely squeeze the brake. Not something you should be doing, but you have access to that. And there's more to this bike. This bike has an optional tank toolbox, lockable. So you put a cute little key right in here. Let's put that in. Oops. Turn it, open it up, and check this out. We have room for a good-sized phone. This is a good-sized phone. And you can put a wallet, you can put a few other things. It's not totally a waterproof environment, but you can definitely put stuff there. Let's glance at the steering bar. This is the switch for the LED driving lights. There it is. So put the key back here, turn this off. The only area we have not peeked in is the trunk. So let's check that out. We have the tonneau cover, which comes with all Urals right there. So then we have a owner's manual, which is extremely thorough. I would say it's more than the owner's manual. It's a lot more than owner's manual. It's a shop manual, practically a shop manual. So when you flip through this, you have EFI troubleshooting, you have fuse and relay location, battery maintenance, bulbs and how to replace each bulb around motorcycle. You have how to do the alignment. This is, as I said, this is a lot more than owner's manual. You don't even need a shop manual because you can do everything using this book. And keep in mind, if you buy this motorcycle or motorcycles on the same promotion, during the promotion you get a 3rd year of factory warranty free of charge. We got a touch-up paint right here. 2 bottles, one for black parts and one for the terracotta satin color. And then you get this toolkit, which allows you to work on the motorcycle and pretty much do all the service procedures. Of course, if you have a comprehensive shop tool set on your own, you can do things probably a little bit quicker, but if you just want to do some quick maintenance, you can do it with this toolkit. So let's put this back together. I'm going to put the manual in its pouch in just a moment. And the only other thing we're going to talk about is the folding shovel. It comes standard with a gear up. Fluid canister comes standard with a gear up. Front bumper comes standard with a gear up. I hope you'll like this video. I hope you'll like this bike. If for some reason, maybe this color is not what you were looking for, at any given time we have anywhere from 40 to 60 Ural motorcycles of different configurations, different colors, beautifully, properly set up by our technicians here at Ural Motorcycles of New England. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and we hope to see you soon.